let's start with grammar. Who remembers? For PSLE, grammar close. How many marks? How many questions? Yes, Adira?
10 questions and 10 marks.
Are you sure? Good try. Vocabulary. The clue is vocabulary. All questions for vocabulary, either whether it's close or whether it's MCQ, is only this number of questions, this number of marks. Anyone? No one? Really? No one? Yes, Adira?
Is it 5?
Yes, give yourself a...
questions?
Yes, you're right. Give yourself a point. So right now your points at the end of your lesson, I will add your points on Class Dojo. So Priya as well, take note, whenever I say give yourself a point or points, count the number of points you have and then I'll add on Class Dojo, okay? Same with Ming if you join, I will add you. So 5 questions, 5 marks. Good. Now grammar close. How many questions? How many marks? Anyone? Yes, Priya?
10 questions.
Yes, very good. 10 questions and how many marks? 10 marks. How can I have 10 questions, 3 marks? Means what? One question is 0.1 mark. So yes, 10 questions, 10 marks. So each question is 1 mark. Good. Give yourself a point as well, Priya. Wait now, let me pin people. I cannot see everybody on my screen, so I'm going to pin some of you. All right. Okay. So synthesis and transformation. Who remembers? How many questions? How many marks? This one, very important. A section where students usually lose marks because each question is 2 marks. Yes, Tommy? Yes, Tommy, you need to unmute yourself.
5 questions and 10 marks.
Yes, very good. Give yourself a point. 5 questions, 10 marks, because each question is 2 marks. So when I was looking through your answers or synthesis, I realized that some of you left out or you changed the words. You left out words. So these kind of things, you will lose mark, okay, 1 mark. Or you missing punctuation and all of that. So that's that. Oh, by the way, I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you my name. Priya, my name is Miss Nisha, just to let you know. Okay, yes. Let's start with a vocabulary close. I'm going to spin the wheel. Before that, let's choose my pen color. Who wants to choose a pen color? Anyone wants to choose my pen color? Anybody? Nobody? If not, I will choose my own pen color. Yes, Adira? Oh, by the way, use the reaction button to raise your hand, okay? So you come on screen. But yes.
The purple between the dark purple and the pink.
The purple between, okay. So this one. Oh, finally someone actually chose not galaxy or some other color. This one, right? Okay. What is up with my pen? My pen is wonky today. But yes, thank you. Okay. So before we start, right, I want you to choose a fruit. Everybody, because I have how many of you here? I have 1, 2, 3. I have 4 of you, right? Oh, am I counting wrong there? 1, 2, 3 of you. Sorry, I have 3 of you, excluding me. So each of you choose 2 fruits. Okay. So first come, first serve. Who wants to tell me the fruit you have chosen?
Actually, to the truth, if there was a pomelo, I would choose that. Pomelo is one of my favorite fruits.
I love pomelo too, but for now, can you choose 2 fruits that's on the list? What 2 fruits do you want?
Orange.
Okay, so Tommy wants orange. What else? One more fruit, Tommy?
Maybe apple.
Okay, so Tommy has chosen apple and orange. What about the rest? Adira?
Peach and lemon.
Peach and a lemon. Okay, and then Ming En? What fruit do you want? Can you hear me, Ming En? You can unmute yourself and tell me what fruit you want.
Apple and banana.
Okay, so apple's already taken, so I'll give you banana. By the way, do you like banana? You do? Okay, that's good. So banana and Priya?
I think Priya left. I can't find him find her in the participants list anymore.
Oh, okay. Okay, then for now, so Ming En, you chose banana. I need 1 more fruit and you need to choose because it's 2 fruits, right? So banana and I think you're left with lemon. No, lemon is taken. Pear. Okay, so I'll give you a banana and pear. Okay, so I'm just going to remind you, okay? Tommy is apple and orange. Adira is peach and lemon. And Ming En is banana and pen. So let me spin.
And actually, now that I think of it, only now that I noticed something.
Yeah.
We all chose something that's opposite one another, see?
Yeah, I know, right? So that's interesting. Let's spin now. All right. Okay, so pair is chosen. So that's Ming En. So let's look at the first question. Question 1. So Ming En, can you tell me what's the answer and why that is the answer?
Nearly.
Nearly. Yes, very good. So the answer is D, right? So why is the answer nearly?
Nearly is
Nearly means almost, right? So give us a point for the answer. Good. Nearly means almost, or it means very close to, right? So that's why the answer is nearly. Now, vocabulary close is always testing you for synonyms. All of these words are very close to each other. They mean very, very close to each, and the meaning is very close. But you need to choose the best answer. Partially here means partly. Okay, you got the answer partially correct, meaning not full marks, but partially. Okay, means partly. Maybe if it's 2 marks, you get 1 mark. That's what it means partially. Somewhat means a little. Okay, a little. Not completely as well, just a little. Borderline. So if I say Miss Nisha borderline, she passed borderline pass. It's a borderline pass, meaning she didn't completely pass. She just made it. So if it's 100 for 100, I mean it's 100 marks, I only get like what, 50 marks, 51, 52. So borderline means like close to the middle. Okay, so you just made it. That's what it means. You just passed. That's what it means. Okay, just made it. By the way, please write down, okay, if you learn anything new, very important. Of course, you can download my slides as well. But yes, Priya, welcome. What happened to your internet? Some connection problem, is it?
No, ran out of battery.
Oh, okay. So you're charging it now?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait. All right. So let's go to the second question. So now I have 4 of you. So which means 1 of you. So so that's 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. So the other 2 will be left blank. So I will spin again if you get 2. So everybody just choose 1 fruit. So what fruit do y'all want? Yes, Tommy?
Of course, I want orange.
Okay.
Almost
So
as
Tommy,
sweet as the pomelo, that's why.
okay, so Tommy is orange. Priya? Unmute yourself.
Banana.
Banana. Okay, Ming En?
apple.
Apple. And last but not least, Adira?
Peach.
Peach. Okay, so remember your fruits. Okay, now I'm going to spin. Sorry. Let me spin, spin, spin. Okay, who's pear? Did anyone choose pear? No one choose pear. Okay, let me spin again. Did anyone choose lemon? No. Oh my gosh. Okay, who chose orange? I think Tommy did, right? All right, so Tommy, let's go and answer the next question. Tommy, so what's the answer for number 2?
Denizens.
Denizen, very good. Can you tell me why is the answer denizen?
Because they are animals.
Very good. Okay. So if some of you chose the answer as citizens, by the way, residents means what? Residents means someone who stays there, right? They're called the inhabitants, people who occupy a place, right? It's called a resident. Now, why can't it be citizens? We, the citizens of Singapore, referring to what? People. Okay, citizens is a people who live in a state, right? A town or a country. Right, you don't usually refer to animals as that, even though I would technically do, but it's not. Locals referring to a people who, if I say you're a local, that means what? You are from this place, right? You're not a foreigner or something. So you are local. So you are local in this neighborhood means you occupy this place. Okay, it's an inhabitant. Okay, so it basically they're very close in meaning. Like I told you, because this is a synonym. They're all synonyms. You need to choose the most closest answer. Native. If I say I'm a native in this place, that means what? I was born in this place. So I can be a native, meaning I'm born in America, but I'm living in Singapore. So a native is where you are born, but where you're currently living can be another location. Okay, so where you're residing can be another location, but a native is your native country is where you're born. Now, denizens, okay, can refer to a person, it can refer to an animal. So in this case, of course, you're also including an animal here. It's all about animals, right? So the clue here is that, and of course, that's the reason why found in a particular place. So basically, denizens is not found in a country or a town, it's found in a particular place. So in this case, the sanctuary is a particular place. right? So these are animals or person found in a particular place. You're not talking about in a country or something. And of course, sanctuary. Do you know what the sanctuary mean? What does sanctuary mean? I forgot to ask you that. Sanctuary means refuge, like a place where you take where you stay for shelter. To a safe place. It's a safe haven, basically. A safe place that you stay, that you're protected and you are, taken care of. All right, thank you, Tommy. Please give yourself wait, was Tommy, right? Yes. Give yourself a point. 1 point. Okay, next one. Question 3. Yes, 1 point. Please keep the same fruits. I'm not going to ask you to pick another fruit. We'll choose another fruit the next round, okay? So oh, orange. Okay, I mean Tommy already went, so let's try someone else. Lemon. Nobody chose lemon. Peach. Did anyone choose peach? Adira. Okay, so Adira, it's your turn. Number 3. What's the answer?
Is it C?
Yes, the answer is C. Very good. Can you tell me why is the answer C? What does vital mean?
Really important.
Yes, essential, right? Yes, good. Vital means essential. Like this is a essential vital nutrient. Okay, nutrition, nutrient, vitamin. Okay, means it's very important, right? So here it's vital in rehab. So it's very important in doing this, right? So essential. And of course, crucial means very important. So of course, that's why they mean the same thing. Give yourself 2 points, 1 for the answer and 1 for explaining. Okay. Now, why can't it be basic? Why can't I say and basic in rehabilitating? What does basic mean? Anybody? Yes, Adira?
Very simple.
A basic doesn't, okay, yes, that's one meaning. But in this case, basic means fundamental, like the basic foundation, right? The fundamental thing, right? So without it, you cannot go up in different levels. So you need to first complete the basic level first, then you can go to the more difficult advanced levels, right? Now,
Right,
yes, urgent means what? Requiring immediate action. Right? I need you to do it right now, okay? So if I say something is urgent, means you need to do something right now. It requires immediate attention or attention. And of course, if I say you're being persistent, means what? You're being stubborn, right? You're obstinate, okay? You keep asking the same thing over and over again. So you're just continuously asking me something. Continuously asking something. Can I write that? So yeah. So do you know what does rehabilitating means? Like if you need to go for that means what you need to go and heal and recover, right? So that you get better. That's what it means. Okay. So here vital means very important. And the closest word that means very important here is C. So the answer is C. All right. Stick with the same fruit again. We will change fruit for the next section. So let me spin. Somebody tell me stop. Alira, tell me stop.
Stop.
Okay. Did you stop yourself? Oh, it's pear. Okay, nobody chose pear, right? Okay. Okay, thank you, Adira. Somebody else tell me stop. Who want to tell me stop? Okay, Priya, you will tell me stop, okay?
Stop.
Okay, orange. Anyone choose orange?
Me.
Oh.
Oh,
It's
is it Tommy? Okay, yes, Tommy. So you shall go. Tommy, what is the answer for number 4?
We go branches now. Oh well.
What is the
It's B.
answer? B, yes, very good. Can you tell me why is the answer B?
Because scampering actually means like running around, right?
Scampering means what? Scampering means you're moving very quickly in light, quick steps. So you're moving quickly, firstly, okay. Quick, it means quick, light steps. Right? Especially when you're excited, okay? When I say a human being is scampering, that means they're just really excited, or they're scared, then they take very quick light steps, okay? So here the closest meaning is scurrying, because what does that mean? That means you move hurriedly, which also means quickly, right? You move hurriedly, right, with short steps. Again, that's what it means. Short steps. Okay, it cannot be crawling because a baby crawls. When you're crawling means your knees and your hands are on the ground and you're crawling like a baby. So that's not what scampering means. Okay, so this one is like a baby, or even human adults do that sometimes, right? What does loitering mean? Loitering means, can you stop loitering around the void deck? Means what? Loitering means what? You're like dawdling, which means you're just walking slowly with no apparent purpose. You don't have apparent purpose. You don't have a purpose to be there, but you're just there loitering around the void deck. Okay. So another word for that is dawdle. Okay, so dawdle means the same thing as loitering, means you just walk slowly with